Welcome back to my channel with another new video. Today I will show you how we can create Rakuten affiliate marketing account and how we can verify it and how we can join affiliate marketing companies later. So let's go to the screen. Open Rakuten website. Here you can see the details here. They have million users. So now we will join as affiliate. So we will choose become a publisher, the top option here. Okay, now enter here your email address, your first name, last name, and enter your password here. Then click on register, verify your email. Okay, activate login. Okay, the verification is done. Now click on get started. Select your country. You can select your own country. Now I will choose here USA. Next. So here now we have two options. You can join as a individual or you can join also as a company. I will join here as a company because I have my LLC. Company name. Next, LLC. So what the primary business model of Habib Khan LLC. So other primary channel URL. So I will enter here my YouTube channel link here, and next now insert all your social account handles here. Next, unique visitors per month. So choose your visitors here. Page views per month. Okay, next. Okay, business category, financial services. I will choose hobbies and family lifestyle. Next, finally, please read and accept the terms. Publisher membership agreement, affiliate download membership. I have read and accept the terms. Okay, I confirm I have read and understood network policies. Okay, you can read it and click on submit registration. There was an issue with your registration. Let me check what's the issue. Okay, back. What's the primary channel of Habib Khan LLC? Okay, let me try here my blog link here, Habib Khan LLC blog. Okay, now try this. Next. Read, I confirm, submit registration again. Okay, it worked. Click on account details. Now I have to enter my profile information here, my address, my contact number, and my EIN number. And after that I have to sign here in text declaration. Verify and save. Okay, now I will get OTP on my email number, then submit the code here. Please check and correct the errors below. Click on the top right corner dots button here and click on Legacy Publisher Dashboard. My account, account info, company info. Okay, now I have to edit my company info here. Click on edit. Entry LLC type. Okay, first name, last name, or I have to enter my LLC details here. In text form, verify OTP. Okay, now I have to edit my account info. Click on edit. Okay, enter my email password here and my security question here. Then click on send verification code and verify. Click on payment setting. Okay, here are now three options: check, PayPal, and deposit. If you have PayPal, then you can enter your PayPal details here. But now I will enter my direct deposit bank account details here. Okay, now our account is completely verified. Now we have to join new advertiser. Here are all the companies and brands. Now here are all the companies and brands you can join, and then you can earn commission from them. Thank you.